Floral foam tiles have many uses. You can use them on a table, you can use them in a wall display, you can cut them apart down the open seams and use them for individual squares. There's just a lot you can do with them. But one of the most fun things is to use it as a table runner, filled with flowers. This looks just gorgeous on a table. So how do you hang it off the end of the table? You can use a small cable tie, but I like to use bind wire. You just take a couple of lengths of bind wire, up to 4, find the center of it, give it a good twist, and make a little circle. Run it through holes that are drilled like 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch in, whatever distance makes you feel comfortable. Then you'll pull through the holes in the one below and pull it tight and secure it. So that means it would be like this, and secured on both sides. Now you just fill in the blank with flowers and you have a tile runner that comes down the table and off.